Good morning, everybody. We are here. It's 11:51. I know we're 1 minute late. We've got 69 degrees outside and cloudy right now. Not too bad. Let's go see what we got in the first of the chat. It is Frank. First is always Frank. Outdo, bro. 96.1000. Let's get it, man. Morning, Nick F. Nick F. What's going on? Frank CD with good morning, Outdo, bro. What's LUNC doing? Probably nothing. Yeah, right, dude. LUNC is absolutely rolling right now. Let's see where we're at here. We got to go, no, not the watch list. We got to go to the custom. LUNC sitting up 12.36% right now. 14,790 points per coin. I know we're still Big Clay. Let's go Big Weeble. Let's do it. There you go. Bottom left, LUNC. 14,818 points per coin right now. Not bad at all. Terra Classic is the only cryptocurrency that is surviving at the moment. And not only is it surviving, it is absolutely thriving. Terra Classic killing it, man. I'm absolutely loving it right now. 16,000, 15,000, 16,000 is the level that we're going to have to watch out for. It's what we tested back. Can we get it? Ow! I fell off. Where we at? I can't do it. It's what we tested back here at the end of June. It's what we tested back here at the end of June. At the end of June? That was already all the way back at the end of June? I mean, I thought that was a couple weeks ago. Anyway, really low right here. I don't know why it's not zooming in right. Nonetheless, 16,654 points per coin was tested back here. If we break that level, we are rolling to 22,000 points per coin. And then it is going to be a massive rally after that. It's going to be beautiful if we can beat that. Where are we at here, though? We got to come on, man. Ridiculous charts. Ridiculous charts. Nonetheless, all right, we're back in action there. Good morning, James. We got Lucky Thoughts. Good day loading up on Tesla today. Hope she does me well. Lucky Thoughts, heck yeah, man. Listen, I don't know. If you guys got money to average down, today is just another brutal day in the stock market, a brutal day in the crypto market. It's a brutal day everywhere right now. So it might actually be a very good day to continue loading up if you guys can. Nonetheless, man, we're going to see some massive price rallies when the stock market and crypto market finally do decide to roll. Guys, Boxed, beaten to death in price, and it was beaten to death in price at $2 per share just a couple weeks ago. Now it's sitting at $1.05. Think about that, man. Box is getting cut in half after getting blasted. Box is like a $14 stock if you got on a daily graph and zoom out, man. Like, look at this. $11, $12 stock right here had a really bad decline, and it's already back down below and hitting new lows. We thought it was going to curl over. Absolutely did not. But, man, sitting at $1.05 right now. Ridiculous declines in Boxed. I think they do like a food service delivery or like a grocery delivery, kind of like, I don't know, like if Sam's Club or somebody, Costco, was going to deliver your groceries to you. That cough. This cough is ridiculous. Hopefully I don't cough forever. Nonetheless, brutal day in the market, man. The QQQ is down 1.1% at 301 right now. We've got the NASDAQ down 1.1%. GameStop down 4%. Pure Therapeutics down 1%. AMC down 3.90%. Sitting at $9.10 right now. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all getting hit pretty hard right now. Sundial down to 287. Mullen 6170, man. Come on. Mullen was at 64 earlier today. Now it's sitting at 61.40. This is my line on Mullen right here. 63 cents. We need to see this bad boy bounce back, but it's only down 0.2%. So can't complain too much there. CEI down 30 to 35 cents. The SPY is sitting at $398.83. BBIG 95 cents right now, down 10% on the day. Hycroft sitting at 75 cents. Netflix $2.20. Clovis $1.14. Box $1.05. Revlon $6.57. Terra Classic absolutely killing it, 14,800. We got QQQ sitting at 390 at the moment. Ape $5.69 right now. $5.69 on Ape. The low was during that first day of trading at 521, and it is trying to come back down again, man. Ape sitting at 569 right now. Crazy to see. We could watch that roll for a while, though. Ape and AMC kind of moving both with green lines right now. We like green lines, but we don't like red on the day. I can't wait for 2200, bro. Oh my gosh. Dude, if it goes to 2200, if it breaks that 2200, I don't understand why it's giving me such a hard time trying to zoom in. I really don't understand why it's giving me such a hard time trying to zoom in past this. But, you know, we got the 1600. We tested it here. This... don't do it. I gotta go slower. This 2200 right here. It tested it right here, right? That's where we get this line from. And it's a range. 22, 21, you know, whatever. But look at this. Look at this. This is a 2-hour chart right here. Okay, 2-hour chart. If you look, if we break through this, I can't even scroll out anymore. So hopefully you guys can see to the far left of the screen. This 2-hour candle gives us 0.0005. Think about that, man. 0.0005. And I don't even know if I'm going to be able to scroll left at all. But if we go up to where this neck... Dang it. Alright. I can't do it. Whatever. This 2-hour candle right here takes us to 0.003. The previous 2-hour candle, 0.004. You guys are talking half a cent. The only thing on a technical level of resistance that holds us from this little area right in here in a 2-hour chart going back up to nearly half a cent are these 2-hour candles right here. Think about that, man. Think about that. We've been in this range the whole time. And if it breaks out, there's nothing I can do to zoom in on this range right here. If it breaks out of that range, it's a 2-hour candle away from 3 zeros and a 5, doubling in price again from the 22,000 points per coin. And then from there, it's a 2-hour candle away from half a cent. I mean, technically a third of a cent, but you guys get it. Like, ridiculous on a technical analysis, I guess, breakdown of what you could see in Terra Luna Classic if it breaks out of this range that it's been stuck in for, what, like 4 months now? Basically since April, May. I mean, absolutely crazy to think that that's a possibility, but it absolutely is. All right, let's come back out to here. What do I want to see? I wanted to see, HPCO. I want to look at HPCO real quick. Let's see. Good evening, Clay and everyone. Sarah Destekroy. Good evening to you. Hopefully you had a great day today. Good morning, all you glorious apes. The borrowed shares of AMC are at all-time highs. Short shares increasing. A high cost to borrow, days to cover, and 100% utilization. Squeeze isn't over, baby. It is just a begin. I love it, Frodo. I love it, man. Good morning, everybody. Dark Bro 521. What's up? Corey says LUNC is ripping, and it is. Apron second level looks wild. $10 today. Aleman, we can look at Blue Apron here in a second. Blue Apron is like the food service company or whatever you want to call it, like the food subscription. They send you food in the mail and then you guys cook it. I actually remember when Blue Apron IPO'd. I think it's split since then because I remember it being down in like the $4 to $5 range, but it was actually much higher than where it is right now. So we can look at Blue Apron here in a minute. I want to look at HPCO first. I'm definitely a Luna lover. I love it, Sarah Desta Croy. Luna's killing it today, man. Luna's been killing it over the last several weeks, for real. It's good one, Frank. Gotta run. See ya, JB. I don't even know the microphone right here. JB, enjoy your afternoon, man. Thank you very much for swinging by, and I know you click that like button. He says he's got to run, but he's going to creep in the background. He always does. Lunatics is going to be very popular after the burn takes place. With the attention it will gain. Hey, man, are you talking Luna or are you talking Lunatics? Which one are you talking there? I think both of them are going to be popular. Obviously, Luna Classic is going to be more popular than Lunatics, but they're burning another 400 million. That Lunatics token, burn another 400 million. Terra Luna Classic. Shiba, heck yeah, Shane. Where can I buy LUNC? DD214 Army, bro. I love the name, man. Listen, if you want to buy, I got a don't buy it on Voyager. That's where you could buy it previously. But no, KuCoin allows you to buy Terra Luna Classic. I got a link for KuCoin down there in the description if you want to use it. KuCoin's actually got a lot of different coins, man. Even like Doge Chain. They're really pumping Doge Chain right now. So they got a lot of littler coins that you can get into as well. What I've noticed about KuCoin is they've got several different types of trading you can do with futures trading as well. So if you don't necessarily care to like hold your cryptocurrency and be able to trade it, or send it on and off exchange, and send it to wallets and stuff like that, you could do futures trading. Basically, like you're trading Forex or a currency or whatever. You're trading the derivative, but they allow you to trade on leverage. And I've said it on several of my videos recently. You guys do have to be very careful if you want to use KuCoin and trade Terra Luna Classic on leverage, for example. I think that the maximum leverage they give you on LUNC is 5x. Other coins like Bitcoin, I believe they give you 10x leverage, which is just nuts. But let's say you do 5x leverage on Terra Luna Classic. This gain that you'd be seeing today, this 13.3% gain, you'd already hit a 70% gain. Your gains are multiplied by 5. That is, it's awesome that you can see that. But you gotta be very careful, because if we just fall back down, if Terra Luna Classic, if you're on 5x leverage, and Terra Luna Classic falls back down to, a 20% loss, 1,400, takes you down to 13,400, 12. So if you just fall back down to 1,200 points per coin here, you've wiped your account out if you're trading on 5x leverage. A 20% decline at 5x leverage is a 100% loss. So be careful if you guys are wanting to do that. I believe, actually, let me see if the link's in the description of, I don't know if the link's in the description of this live stream. It is not. Let me get you guys a link. I'll be right back, I promise. Alright, you should have a link in the description now if you guys do want to use KuCoin, or at least if you want to download them and see what they're all about. You don't even have to sign. You don't have to make a deposit if you don't want to make a deposit. If you just want to check out their interface, if you use that link, you're going to be able to check them out. They're slightly different. Like Voyager was pretty cool in the sense that it was extremely simple. KuCoin's got a lot of buttons, man. KuCoin's got a lot of buttons. They got places if you specifically want to look at staking your coins and earning passive income. They got other places if you want to trade futures. They got other buttons if you want to look at the hottest and the trending coins. If you want to look at all the rewards, they've actually got a lot of rewards. Like if you hit, remember when they were saying that Robinhood was getting in trouble for the gamification of investing? KuCoin kind of gamifies it a little bit. They got a lot of different rewards that you can earn by hitting different milestones, trading your first coin, trading $100, like doing this and doing that. So they got a lot of rewards you can earn there. A pretty interesting platform nonetheless, and pretty interesting if you guys do want to trade leverage. So if you're thinking about going out and starting $1,000 crypto portfolio, but you're like, nah, dude, I really only want to risk $100. If you're okay with losing that $100, you could trade $1,000 portfolio if you trade futures. So just be careful with that. Like I always say, man, if you're getting into Bitcoin, for example, I do believe they allow 10x leverage on Bitcoin. If you're in Bitcoin and you watch it just go from 21.6 down to 21.6, 10% decline, it's going to be $2,000 basically. I would have to go a little lower than where it's at right here, slightly lower. But you would bust your $100 account right here if you go from 21.6 just down to 19,000. So you gotta consider that too. Clearly, if we go from 19,000 back up to 20,000, instead of hitting a 10% gain and making $10 on your $100 investment, you doubled your money. And you're sitting there on $200. So leverage can be good if you guys time it perfectly, but be careful. You know, if that $100 is all you got to invest with, man, don't go out on leverage and kill your account. Now I forget what I was gonna look at on here. Darn it, man. I haven't been here in a few days. Hope everyone is good. AMC Squeeze anytime soon, because I thought it was the beginning of the end. I thought it was the beginning of the end too, Chris. I thought it was the beginning of the end too, and here we are, man. We're down today. Down pretty big on Ape and AMC. However, since I exited at 689, I don't really have a stake in it anymore, but what are your current thoughts on Ape? Steadily declining. I actually have no idea why it's declining as fast as it is. If we go out here and look at Ape, dude, it is steadily declining. And you look at an hourly chart, you can see that it has, it looks like it's ready to retest the lows we saw on the first day at 521. The daily chart, yes, it is steadily declining on the daily chart. AMC has been coming down as well over the same time frame. You know, we're watching AMC come down pretty heavy after, I don't even know what day that distribution took place on here, but it was sometime in this time frame. AMC and Ape both coming down right now. I don't know, man. I don't know if some people, and don't take this the wrong way, because I have no idea what these people are doing. I don't know if some people are giving up because they don't like the distribution and they don't like the possibility of dilution in the future. But we have to remember, the overall market is getting blasted as well right now. I would be surprised if we saw Ape soaring in value or AMC soaring in value, but then the NASDAQ looks like this. You know what I mean? The NASDAQ looks like this over the last 2 weeks. So it's not that big of a surprise to me to see AMC dropping like this when the NASDAQ is dropping like this. The overall market's actually getting hit very hard over the last 2 weeks here. After having a decent rally, bouncing off these lows right here and having a decent rally, it seems like it's really trying to go back down to the downside. So I would say it's overall market movement that's driving AMC and Ape down at the moment, but I still don't like it, man. I still don't like it. No, let's watch Ape on this one. On a minute chart. Yeah, we can watch that. Good. All right, guys. I'm going to catch back up in the chat. Sorry for that. If I missed one, get it back out there. I have a major in business analytics, and I can certainly say that what they were doing is not the way I would approach a situation. Hype only lasts so long. Yes, I don't know what we're talking about, but facts. I don't like the complicity of... yeah, it is. Pudgy. That's one of the reasons I liked Voyager, man. It was very simple. KuCoin does, however, offer a lot of different, I guess, options for you to look at when you're trading. Some people like it, man. I would say it's a little bit more of a gamified sense of investing with the fact that you can earn those rewards and stuff like that. But you're right, man. The simplicity of Voyager is one of the reasons I liked it. And the fact that you could earn those rewards without actually staking. What do you think about CNBC cutting off Kirsten Betterly the second after she mentioned shorts covering? Does this mean some of the short hedge funds might be covering old positions to create new ones? SK, to make the money back on the second trade. So SK, man, I actually don't know why they cut her off like that. I thought that was extremely rude, and I actually thought that she handled that very well. You know, she kind of just smiled and looked at that old man like, okay, if you're gonna do that, you're gonna do that. It was, it was a nice, cute little smile, dude. I would have looked at the guy like he didn't have half a brain, and would have been like, dude, you literally just called me on your show, and now you're gonna cut me off 12 seconds after I start talking. No. So I actually think she pulled it off very well. I don't know why they did that though. It was extremely bizarre, dude. Extremely bizarre. What are your thoughts to invest in LUNC right now? Will it drop or rise? Robbie, yes, it will drop or rise. Here's the thing. If you're thinking about investing in LUNC right now, it is elevated in price, but it's elevated for good reason. We're seeing LUNC rise in value because of the staking and the burn tax that's going to be implemented in the next couple of weeks here. So it does have justification for reaching these levels. This level that it's at, this line, I did not draw this line today. This line's been on here for several weeks. I think the end of June. It's been on since the end of June when we tested this. Gosh, I can't do it. When we tested this level way back here. I don't know why it wants to come down like that. We tested this level way back here, man. So this line has been on since the end of June. And what we're seeing right now is a retesting of this resistance at 15,000 points per coin. If we're able to break through it, yeah, I do see a decent rally to the next level of resistance, which is up here at about 22,000 points per coin. So if you want to get in now, if you think the gains are going to continue on, absolutely. What we've seen in the past is that this level has held up as a strong level of resistance, and we bounced back off and came down. So play it accordingly. I just like the fact that we've got some strong news driving the gains recently when it comes to Terra Luna Classic gains. Kraken is fairly simple to use. Only problem I've encountered was uploading funds. It's kind of a pain. Yeah, you know, I downloaded Kraken too. I got Kraken and KuCoin. I kind of felt a little bit more. I don't know. I felt a little better with KuCoin than Kraken. But listen. I actually did really like Voyager until they went and screwed everybody over. Michael, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Michael, man, thank you very much for the fist bump super chat. Absolutely love it, guys. Michael, thank you, man. Hey, Clay, is there 5x leverage on LUNC, and is it BNB or Ethereum chain? I might throw a mill at it. So, Ivan, you don't have to trade on leverage. If you're using KuCoin, that's the futures trading, okay? So that's slightly different than just buying and selling the cryptocurrency. You can absolutely trade with zero leverage if you would like, and you can just buy Terra Luna Classic. And Terra Luna Classic's on its own blockchain, so it's not an Ethereum or Binance token. It's on its own blockchain. It's its own coin. I'm sure you can buy like wrapped Terra Luna Classic though on a Binance or Ethereum chain if you would like. But if you're looking at the leverage, you know, it does not have to be leveraged. That's KuCoin's futures trading platform. And by allowing you to trade those futures or those derivatives is how they can give you that leveraged opportunity. If you're doing that, like I say, man, you guys got to be careful. You can absolutely lose if it goes down. If it goes down 20% in value, you lost your account. You lost the 100% of what you got in there. If it goes up 20% in value, you've doubled your money. So it is something to think about. What do you think about MCLDP? Keith, HPCO got out at, sold 2 at 16. Nice. 2 at 6, out at 16. Keith, that is incredible because I was talking to Eric this morning. Eric also, gosh, hold on. Let me clear my throat. Sorry, guys. Eric Bissell, he's in here a lot. He got in at the IPO as well and got out at 16. Same. I don't know if he got out at the same exact prices. He got out after that first halt, and it dropped down. HPCO, where is it right now? HPCO sitting at $14.21 at the moment. Had a very, very nice open, and then got halted right here. And then had a very difficult time after that halt. But some of you guys were able to get out at 16. Very nice job, man. Getting out at 16 looks good. Look, these IPOs are risky. Yeah, sure, it could jump back up now and jump back up to $40. But it might end the day back down at $3. So, yeah, I mean, there's no telling what it's going to do. $6 to $16, 150% gain. Absolutely killed it, guys. Nicely done. Nicely done. All right, where are we at here? Webull options chart no longer showing ask and bid size. It only shows the ask and bid price. You can see if you see the ask bid size. SK, I think I might have missed something. Tell my wife I need French toast, Clay, bro. YNB Fight is extremely hungry. This man needs some French toast right now. What I suggest is that you guys go in there, and YNB Fight is probably going to be the dipper. So he's going to dip it down into the egg mixture that you guys got going on, and then she can fry it up in the pan, however you guys want to cook it there. You guys go do some teamwork, make a couple pieces of French toast there, and enjoy your morning. YNB Fight's hungry. Don't get hangry. Nancy Pelosi. Nope. Nancy Pelosi, a crazy woman, you. Get out of here. Wouldn't it be sweet if Nancy Pelosi was in here and I told her to leave? That would be hilarious. Did you read the email from Pudgy? Yeah, Pudgy. So they were correct. They are correct on the amount that they said I have claim to. The only concern I have is that, I have claim to my USDC and VGX, but, they're going to settle that claim for 10 cents on the dollar or 50 cents on the dollar or something. And I'm only going to walk away with a tenth or a half or something like that. So, slightly exciting. Yes, that they did get my email out there. They do have the numbers correct. And I do have claim to what I thought I had claim to. But whether or not they pay the entire claim is going to be, I guess, up in the air. Price action on LUNC is legit. There is cause and effect. No guesswork as to why it's moving. We see the retracements. Yes, that's how it works. But it's a strong foundation right now. And that's what I like, Dark Bro. That's what I like. It's when a coin runs without much reason behind it. Like when Shiba Inu coin just jumped to 1,800 points per coin here, from 13 to 18, 500 point per coin gain, with no real reason for this run. It's a speculative run at that point, hard to justify, and you would believe, if it wasn't for Shiba Inu coin actually being able to run on pure speculation, you could easily believe that it's going to give back up those gains. But when Shiba Inu coin can move like this, steady off, and then run like that again, with no real reason behind it, besides some speculation, it's every time Shiba runs, you believe this is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. This is gonna be like this is the run that starts it all. So it's different when you get a speculative run like this, and then when you have Terra Luna Classic absolutely running over the last couple of, what is this, like 2 weeks or so, because staking being re-enabled, the burn taxes are right around the corner, and so on. I really do like the fact that we've got justification. And Terra Luna Classic right now, back up above 15,000 points per coin, guys. Just since we've been watching, it's gone from 14.6 to 15,000. So not bad at all, man. Terra Luna Classic absolutely having a very good morning right now. Ape, on the other hand, back down to 561, and AMC sitting at 917. We got some red lines on the graph for AMC and Ape. MCLD is sketchy for real because it's been for a while and pushed back 3 times, and also has secondary offering because they can't raise the funds for the offering. Oh my gosh. Keith killed it though on HCPO. Is that what it is? HPCO. I don't even know what the ticker is anymore, and I just looked at it. I know that Lunatics pays in BNB Classic, Kraken is Ethereum. That's what gotcha. Sorry, Ivan. Oh, that was my bad, man. I might have misunderstood that. The first halt was 50 minutes. Yeah, the first halt was very long, dude. I was actually watching the whole time, like clicking back and forth and trying to reload it to see what it was opening up. I didn't get any, but I knew you guys had some, so I wanted to see what it was doing. And I was hoping, dude, it would open up at like $100 a share or something, but it didn't do it. Project J-Bones, gotcha, thanks for the info. Heck yeah, man. Do you believe that LUNC will go up in the next 24 hours? Cecil, here's the thing, man. Do I believe LUNC's going to go up in the next 24 hours? It's doing very well right now. But this line right here, I did not draw this line today. This line has been on the chart since the end of June. This is a strong level of resistance. I would really like to see it break this level in the 15.5 range before I would comfortably say, yeah, we can go on another little run. We're right here. We're still below it right now. So if we stay below this line, I'm a little bit more skeptical of a run over the next 24 hours. Although, we still have 500 points before we reach that. So you're still looking at, like a 3% gain before we get to this level. I would feel more comfortable telling you that I think we could see some further upside if we break this level right here. So that's what I would be watching. And this level comes from back at the end of June when we tested the 15 to 16,000 point per coin range on Terra Luna Classic. So that's what I would be watching to determine whether or not it's going to go up. I don't think we're going to get too much more updated information about... Gosh, man, I'm so sorry. I don't think we're going to get much more updated information about staking and the numbers there or anything like that. I don't think we're going to get any updates on the burn tax over the next 24 hours. So it's more of a technical play with this level of resistance to watch out for. Michael, if LUNC hits 50 cents, flying to Ohio and fist bumping. Dude, if LUNC hits 50 cents, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Could you imagine? No, because I can't imagine. 50 cents. Dude, could you imagine? You got Lunatics token out there, right? They're about to cross over, I believe, the, 2 billion coins burnt level. Can you imagine if it reaches 50 cents and these kids that created the Lunatics token, if they realized we literally threw away, we burnt $1 billion. $1 actual billion in like a 2-month period. We burnt $1 billion that we'll never see. We'll never see it again. Can you imagine? Like, dude, I would be heartbroken. I would be heartbroken if I knew that I had burnt $1 billion worth of anything. That is nuts, man. That is nuts. And if it goes to 50 cents and these guys realize that they burnt $1 billion worth of Luna Classic, oh my god. J-Bones, keep an eye on AQUNU, surprise offering in on the 11th, but lists on the 31st. I'll be watching when it opens. Heck yeah. Would you so kindly take a look at TMC for me, a good sir? What's the financial look like on them as of right now? We can take a look. Yeah, one only Bronson. Heck yeah. I predict 20 to 40% pump for Doge. Watch me predict the future. Lucky thoughts. Let's get it, man. TMC. We can pull up TMC. TMC. Look at this. Simon, fist bump to Simon. Heck yeah, man. Are we there yet? Almost, Victor. Almost. Hey, Clay, do you think the Powell sell-off is overreacted? I mean, he didn't really say anything different. Am I missing something? So, Ed F88. I actually don't think it's an overreaction. I think that this is the correct reaction. So, what Powell said was that we can expect some pain ahead. And it actually does indicate a slight shift in his mentality. What he started to say was that we've got a soft labor market, and we can expect some pain ahead due to inflation and the continual increasing of interest rates. Before, his narrative was that we had a very robust labor market because, unemployment is extremely low, which it's artificially low. We've got a lot of people who aren't even willing to go back to work at this point, and they're artificially keeping that unemployment number low. If you literally go anywhere right now, if you go to a restaurant, they're understaffed. If you go to a grocery store, they probably have two lines open at the grocery store. There is a staff shortage going on out there that they don't really talk about because of the unemployment numbers looking low. So I do believe that Powell had a slight shift in sentiment and indicating that we could see darker times ahead, but I believe that that's appropriate. I don't think that the market should have been rallying, and I don't think that Jerome Powell should have been saying that we've got an extremely robust labor market that's going to drive the economy further and save us from the pain of the inflation. I think that this is actually a more appropriate reaction, and although I hate seeing this crap fall every day, I'm still more comfortable like being able to justify the fall than I would be if Jerome Powell came out and actually said that we've got good information and a positive outlook, but all of a sudden we start to fall. Which Barium Shiba Eternity release and the other parts of the ecosystem. I feel better about the movement. September will be a very important month for crypto. Dude, yeah, September is going to be a very big month. That video I did last night, there's a lot of catalysts coming out in September. The Ethereum merge is going to be huge for all of crypto. We've got the 1.2% burn tax coming out for Terra Luna Classic. We've got Shibarium and Shiba Eternity coming out for Shiba Inu coin. And guys, Bone has been destroying it. Bone was above $2 this morning. I don't know what it's at right now, but Bone was above $2 this morning. Think about that. We're seeing some movement in the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem in anticipation of the Shibarium release. So it's very interesting. All right, so we got one of these stocks here that does absolutely nothing but fall and has only fallen basically since it was, this does look like it may have been some sort of a SPAC, went public, and has since come down very, very far in price. It's had a nice 2 days here, jumping back a little bit, up 16% today, and sitting at 97.98 cents. Do we have any news that is driving this? No. Doesn't seem like we have any news right here. Their earnings came out about 2 weeks ago. If we look at their financials, what do they got? This company is worth $220 million, and they're sitting on $46 million in cash. That's not bad at all. That's a lot more cash than they previously had, but they have been spending some of it over the course of the last year, going from 112 to 84 to 69 to 46. So they're definitely spending money on something right now. Let's see what we've got. Total assets, $96 million. I feel like their debt's going to be pretty heavy. Let's find out. Total liabilities. Okay, well, listen, not terrible, man. We've got roughly $100 million in assets and $20 million in debt. I wouldn't say that is that bad of a debt-to-asset ratio. So, not too bad there. Let's see if they're making any money. This is the part that I don't necessarily like. It doesn't seem like these guys are making any money right now, and I don't know what they do. So they are losing money because they've got all their operating expenses, and their earnings per share is declining, and I don't know if they have been issuing more shares. But the good news is their earnings have been steadily rising, but they're still negative at the moment. So, end of 2021, they had negative 16-cent earnings, negative 14 cent, negative 9 cents, negative 5 cents. So, if they've been diluting shareholders, this increase in earnings doesn't really matter. If not, it does seem like they're really trying to break back into the positive net income. So, I don't know, man. To me, it seems like this is more than just the market bringing this stock down here. Because you got to remember, the market was doing very well through November, and after this SPAC was released, November's in this area right here. Investors did not like whatever they bought here. What does this company do? Deep Sea Mineral Exploration Company. Interesting. I don't know anything about deep sea mineral exploration, but it doesn't seem like they're finding any minerals because their revenue is zero. Nonetheless, man, I mean, if you're looking at a technical aspect of it, they are hitting resistance right now, but you could see a retest of this $1.19 level. And if it retests $1.19, you still got another 20% rise that you can see if you plan on just scalping it and trading it for a quick gain. 6.82% staked at the moment. I think we will hit 10% before the burn. We absolutely could hit 10%, man. It's been steadily rising. Like, that's the good part. We've steadily seen more and more Terra Luna Classic being staked. And although I'm not a huge proponent of staking, it is, like, if you don't plan on selling your coins, I mean, you might as well stake. If you have no intentions whatsoever of selling, you might as well stake them. Kiritoga taking NASCAR over in September. Nice, Keith. Nice. Good morning to you, King Mamba. I can't buy bones. South Africa doesn't have a lot of platforms. Jay Hagan. Jay Hagan, you should probably listen. I don't know how much you're into the decentralized networks and stuff, but if you own Ethereum or Shiba Inu coin, you should probably be able to buy Bone on Shiba Swap. Shiba Swap is a decentralized, kind of exchange where you can go on there and get your Bone through the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem. So it's not like you're going to be able to do it on a centralized platform like Voyager, KuCoin, and so on. But if you've got a decentralized wallet like a MetaMask or Trust Wallet or whatever, you should be able to hook that up on Shiba Swap and buy Bone if you really want to. Okay, that's not me telling you to go out and do it or anything. But that's the beauty of decentralized networks and decentralized exchanges is that, dude, it doesn't matter if you live in South Africa. It doesn't matter if you live on the moon. If you've got an internet connection, you should be able to buy. So I think you could probably get a hold of it if you wanted to. It's just you're going to have to go decentralized as opposed to your centralized exchange. Likes are under 50%. Has the like button been removed by Robinhood? Asking for oh my goodness. Dude, you guys are about to get hit hard. 32 likes, guys. What? Listen, just be actual honest with me in the chat right now. Do you not like the live stream, or you just don't want to click the like button? I'm going to hit you with an ad because you didn't click the like button, but just be honest. I mean, do you not like the live stream, or do you just not like clicking the like button? You're getting an ad either way, but my gosh, man, you guys should do better than 32 likes in here. We're 45 minutes in. I do believe the reason they're releasing Shibarium is because of the Ethereum merge. Hey, Dark Bro, it absolutely could be, man. That was my thought a couple months ago when they were talking about the Ethereum merge happening in September, and Xfund or whatever it was announced that Shiba Inu, the Shibarium, the Shiba Inu coin layer 2 blockchain would happen in September as well. I'm on MetaMask with Luna BNB. How would I stake it? Okay, so Scuttlebutt 32. I actually don't know how you would stake that unless they have a staking option directly in MetaMask there, which I don't know if they will on a Binance coin wrapped Luna. Okay, I don't know if they will. I know that they have options directly for Binance coin and stuff like that, but I don't know if they will for wrapped Luna. You would have to be able to deposit that somewhere on like a Shiba Swap or Terra Station or something in order to stake it. If anybody else actually has an answer as to how you would do that with a Binance chain Luna, please let Scuttlebutt know. But I actually don't know how you would stake that without getting it onto a different platform. Okay, thanks. I'll definitely have a look into it. Great advice. Thanks. Jay Hagan, absolutely, man. There's always a way. It literally doesn't matter if you live in... Well, actually, I don't know. I was going to say North Korea, but I really don't even know what they have access to on the internet in North Korea. So that might be a little bit more difficult if you live in North Korea. But yeah, you should be fine in South Africa being able to go on a decentralized exchange. Hey, Clay, thanks, man. I've been watching for months now. Your lives are just bad times for me. When I'm a millionaire, I'm sending you ice cream. You better not lick a lot. Ooh, Ivan, I'm telling you right now, I will meet, man. If you send me some ice cream, dude, it's getting licked. Facts on that. You rest assured, man. It will either be licked live or it will be licked. Like there's no denying that. Coins with real utility don't need to rely on a multi-coin ecosystem. Buy more LUNC. Yeah, Corey, listen, I'm on board with that mentality, right? I'm on board with that mentality. Here's what I see though, okay? When I look at Shiba Inu coin, I strongly have the feeling, and like I'm not a part of the ecosystem developers or anything, right? So I can literally, say whatever I want, dude. If I want to trash talk, I'm gonna trash talk. If I want to talk like if I want to challenge their authority, I challenge their authority. Like I can do anything that I want. So what I see just from outside looking in, and I could be wrong, I could be dead right, and they'll never admit it. But what I see outside looking in, Shiba Inu coin, extremely successful after extreme failure. So what happened was some random guy, this Ryoshi, right, who they have since exiled. Think about it. Everybody says in the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem that Ryoshi is this beautiful idea of everybody's a Ryoshi and blah, blah, blah. But we've actually seen Ryoshi, okay, the developer's wallet, this so-called Ryoshi, issue new coins, okay? And the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem says, oh, well, multiple people had access to that wallet, and that's a bad actor right there. That's a scam, and all of this. So talking bad about it. But here's what I think we truly have with Shiba Inu coin. Some guy just went out there, created a coin, not even associated with the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem. Just some random dude created this coin, right? And in Shiba Inu coin, most likely trying to take advantage of the popularity of Dogecoin and so on. That's a marketing aspect. Another marketing aspect is the guy literally sent half of it to Vitalik, one of the most, influential people in the crypto space. Now, when it's worth nothing, it's never going to show up. Like, Vitalik's not going to see it. It's never going to show up. But, and it did. It failed. It failed right from the beginning, man. He launches this coin, and it might be worth a couple $1 million, and then goes down to like a $40,000 valuation, losing 99% of its value. If you invested $1,000 when it issued, it dropped down to $2 worth. But then that $2 turned into like $1 million and more from the low to the high that it hit. And because of that, it became extremely popular. Extremely popular. So what you have is this group of people flocking around Shiba Inu coin. And then you've got a group of kids that say, well, dang, man, this guy renounced his ownership to the contract. We know he doesn't own it. We know he can't do anything with it. Let's do something with it. So then they jump on and they build an ecosystem around it, right? They issue Bone. They issue these Shiboshis. They issue this leash. And they're building around it to build up their interest and their wealth, right? Based on the success and the popularity of Shiba Inu coin. I really don't believe that Ryoshi ever intended for there to be an ecosystem. I think it's a story created by these ecosystem developers. I could be completely wrong, right? I absolutely could be completely wrong. But that's what I see, man. That's what I see. Let's see where we're at. Scuttlebutt, absolutely, man. How to calculate burn tax on LUNC. Venlay, what do you mean how to calculate the burn tax on LUNC? Hey, always good content, honest advice. Jay Hagan, absolutely, man. Listen, if I don't keep it honest, where are you guys going to be, man? You're not going to show back up. Thanks for all you do, man. Look forward to your streams each day. Definitely a bro now. Heck yeah, Dinosaur Canoe. Where can we get Luna shares at? So Mark, it depends on where you want to get them. If you want to buy them directly from Terra Station and hold them on, the Terra Luna Classic network, go for it. You can get them on Binance if you're an international user. Nobody likes Binance US, and I don't know why. But you can get them on Binance if you're an international user. KuCoin is another place. I have a link for KuCoin in the description if you want to use it there. KuCoin's interesting because you can trade on leverage, so you can get like 5x LUNC for your money if you want. But remember, if it drops 20% in value, you've basically busted your account if you're trading on 5x leverage. So something to look at there if you want to, man. But KuCoin, Binance, there's Terra Station. There's plenty of places that you can get Terra Luna Classic. I'm out, guys. Peace, guys and gals. Ivan, enjoy your day, man. I did a thing. Reverse options roll on AMC. Exited my September 30th $14 cash secured puts. Rolled back down to September 16th, $10, netting 26 cents more premium per contract. Dude, That's the stuff to be addicted to, though. Frank, you're an addict. I love it, man. That's the stuff to be addicted to. Squeezing every penny out of it. People might be thinking, oh, dude, 26 cents per contract. Who the heck cares about that? Dude, 26 cents per contract, man. You're killing it. You got to squeeze as much money out of these markets as possible. Thanks, Ivan. Absolutely. I don't like Bone Elise or Nancy P. Just sharing. John J, man. Just sharing that. I don't really like her either. So I'll put it this way. I don't necessarily like Bone or Leash because I don't own either one of them. So I don't have that, direct affection towards it. But I don't dislike them either. I'm kind of indifferent when it comes to those. Nancy P, on the other hand, yeah, I'm going to side with you. I'm going to side with you on that one, John J. I don't even care if Nancy P's grandson's in here. Like, dude, your grandma kind of sucks, man. Where are your 96,000 subscribers? Probably at work, Matthew. Probably at work. The vast majority of people do work during the day. So I would say that, with the 65 people in here, there's very few people that can actually, entertain a live stream and sit and chat and be active while they're at work. So I would say that's where the majority of them probably are at the moment. It's 12:40 p.m. Eastern time right now, 9:40 Pacific time. So I would say the vast majority of them are at work at the moment. That's what it was well thought out, bro. Thanks. Corey. I really don't even know what was well thought out, but good deal, man. Thanks for all you do, man. Look forward to your streams each day. Definitely a bro now. Boom, dinosaur canoe. That's what I like. Shiba Inu coin off the charts to the downside. That's not what we like. Shiba Inu coin falling off pretty well there. I'm sure Bitcoin falling too. Let's see. Yes, Bitcoin actually throwing some purple lines on the chart as well. 19.6. Guys, dead serious question that I need an answer to. If Bitcoin hits $1,000, how many of them are you buying? How many? And legitimately too. Like if it's just one, cool, man. It's just one. Like I don't care if it's just one. If it's a half of one, if you're gonna drop $500 into it, cool. I don't care. I don't know if you got $100,000 to throw. So if you tell me you're gonna buy 100 of them, I don't know if I'm gonna believe that or not. But nonetheless, how many Bitcoins are you buying if it drops down to $1,000? I want to know that. Like that's one of these hypotheticals. Like, oh yeah, man, I bought 10 million LUNC when it dropped to nothing. You got to be buying Bitcoin if it drops down to $1,000. I know you do. Simoninho, where are you today, Inyo? Today, Inyo, Simoninho is in Hobart, Tasmania. Inyo, nice, Simon. I don't work at the moment due to health reasons. You can Matthew, listen, man. I was gonna say good deal, but because it's due to health reasons, that's a little upsetting, man. I hope that you do feel a lot better and very quickly. Not sure if it's something that you are, you got the C word or something and you're going to be able to recover in a couple weeks, or if you got something else going on. But nonetheless, man, absolutely hope that you do feel better very soon. And thank you for hanging out with us, man. And yeah, UK, what time is it there right now? Is it 5:44 or is it 4:44 in the UK right now? I know you got the evening going on, so I don't even know if you'd still be working right now anyway or not, but hopefully you feel better, man. Working in here, Clayton. Sometimes I get busy, but I am always here. I love it. Simoninho. Heck yeah, man. Same. Exactly, J-Bones. Exactly. No, some guys can. Like, you definitely can't be as active if you got something going on. Like, I don't understand how Frank hangs out in here if Frank's at work, man. Like, Frank hangs on the side of telephone poles and stuff. Like, I don't know how some of you guys do it. If you're sitting there at the computer right now or whatever, like, okay, I can completely understand that. If you're on a computer and you just either got it up on your phone listening right now or you got it on another monitor, I can actually understand that. But, like, Frank, dude, I don't understand, man. Bro, I'm buying at least 5. Nice, dark, bro. Yeah, man, I'd probably buy more than 5, but I don't know if it's going down to 1,000 or not. I look at these purple lines, and then I start to think, oh, God, dude, it's going to get ripped, man. It's going to get ripped. We're sitting here at 11.9 on Shiba Inu coin and Bitcoin. Bitcoin ready to darn it, I moved it. No, not 19.4. I want 19. Yeah, that's fine there. Bitcoin getting ready to retest these major levels of support right here. It's going to be very interesting, guys. If Bitcoin does come down below this $18,000 level, this is like my next line in the sand, all the way down to 10 grand. I would not be surprised to see a major decline there if we break through this level. So definitely keeping our eyes on that right there. But Bitcoin losing some steam right now, down 3%, sitting at 19,621. And Shiba Inu coin posting some purple lines. We've had a very hard day for AMC as well. We got Mullen Auto down about 1% right now. Needs to get back above 63 cents, darn it. We've got the NASDAQ down 1.5% right now. It is a red day in the market. The QQQ sitting at 299.62. Oh my gosh. Ape sitting down 10% on the day right now. Golly bum, man. Boxed at $1.02 at the moment. Gosh, man. Very, very difficult day in the market right now. My goodness. I'm off yesterday and today. A little vacate. Nice, Frank. Nice. Heart not life-threatening. Awesome channel. Thanks. 544. I knew you guys were 4 or 5 hours ahead. I just didn't know which one it was. Good deal, man. Not life-threatening. I never want to see anybody with a life-threatening illness or disease in here. That would be absolutely devastating. But definitely, man, you got something going on with your heart. You got to take care of it, man. You got to take care of it, Matthew. I do go to work every day because I have a good character, and I am also not stupid or stooped. I still stooped or stupid. I don't even know. I haven't went after my dream job yet, but one day I'll get smart. Chris, what's your dream job, man? What's your dream job? Tell me. Tell me what's your dream job, man? I want to see you go after it, and I will hold you accountable, man. I'll hold you. You don't need a stupid squeeze to go after your dream job. You don't need excess money to go after your dream job. I want to hold you guys accountable and say go after your dream job, man. Work from home remotely on a work computer. Listen to the stream on my phone. Can only interact and chat between batches. Yeah, Frodo, listen, man, that's actually a good deal. And getting on your phone instead of the work computer, too, is a good idea. Especially, if you're going to be active on it. People are like, oh, this dude spends all this entire day on YouTube. We got to take care of that. At work, I have my Bluetooth speaker in my pocket listening. God. Yeah, man, but Frank's on the side of a telephone pole. That's dangerous to me. I don't know about that. 5 is about what I can afford. If we were talking what I want, bro. Yeah, dude. Could you imagine being able to go out and grab 100 Bitcoin, and then you're just sitting there and you're like, oh, man, I got 100 Bitcoin. As soon as it touches 10,000, I'm going to have $1 million. And 10,000 is actually really cheap for a Bitcoin in the grand scheme of things. So you just decide to hold it well beyond that $10,000 mark. And Bitcoin all of a sudden does go back up, and it's sitting at like 90 grand. Everybody's calling for it to go to 250,000, but it's sitting there at $90,000 a coin, and you're like, dude, I legit, like, this is real life. I legitimately have $9 million in my crypto portfolio right now. Everybody's saying that it's gonna go. Everybody's saying it's going to go to 250,000. I'd have $25 million, but I've got $9 million in my portfolio right now. What the heck should I do? Oh, man. Dude, I don't know. You'd probably have to take at least half of it at that point and be like, nah, forget it, dude. Who needs $25 million? I'll take half of it, and if it does go up to $250,000, I'm still sitting on, what, another $12 million? Do it. Do it. So yesterday, I shouted out all my kids, and they all made me replay it 5 more times just so they could hear their names again. Thanks again, bro. Absolutely, Keith. Absolutely, man. And that's hilarious. They made you say it. It made you replay it over and over again. Oh, the Shiba Inu with Bitcoin hits that blue line. Jay Hagan, I honestly think that Shiba Inu coin would be in a pretty tough position, dude. Probably back down to like 500 points per coin or something. If Bitcoin falls down to that level there, I would not be surprised to see, let's go weekly chart. I would not be surprised to see Shiba Inu coin down here at this level or even lower, man. Down to 500 points per coin or even lower. If Bitcoin loses 50% of its value, I would expect Shiba Inu coin to at least lose 50% of its value. People would be talking about the end of crypto. And when they talk about the end of crypto, that's when you know, like, you should definitely, if you're a risk taker, you should definitely be taking a risk at that point. If they're talking about the end, it is definitely your beginning. Funny thing is, this week, I've gained more than I would in a week working. I love it, Matthew. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's beautiful right there. I told my girl I've been subscribed to you for 10 months, and she said that's one heck of a long bromance you got. Keith, it is, dude. It is. Shout out to your girl as well. It is a very long bromance, but it is well worth it. You guys are absolutely on. Like, we're friends, man. We are bros, dude. It's not just some sort of an internet bromance. We're actual bros at this point. Like, I gotta hold Chris accountable here to get his dream job. I know Frodo's gonna be driving that van around, man, starting his furniture restoration business one day. Keith, dude, Keith's got 5 kids over there, absolutely killing it with that, man. So we are bros at this point. Yeah, what do you like? The name bro isn't just some sort of like frat bro type deal, man. Clay bro, we are literal bros at this point. That's why I'd rather have quality than quantity any day. And I literally would pitch you guys against any, even Mr. Beast's online communities, man. Like, I don't care. He's got more. But, dude, you guys are the best of the best, man. You guys are the bros. My dream job is to be able to take naps whenever I want and feel like it. Simon! At that point, do you really, like, are you still going to be tired? Are you even going to want to take naps? I feel like with a dream job, dude, you gotta be energized to wake up and want to do it. Not like, oh, dang, dude, I can't believe I gotta do this again today. I can't believe I gotta do this again. I like it, but I can't believe I gotta do it again. You gotta think, oh, dude, I wonder what I'm gonna kill today, man. I wonder how much I'm gonna grow today. Tell Corey J what utility does LUNC have? It's a meme coin. Shiba Inu coin is changing their status. Yeah, well, Mike, Terra Luna Classic is, let's put it this way. Terra Luna Classic is brand new. The Terra Luna Classic that fell after pegging UST to $1. That Terra Luna Classic is gone. The utility that it had in bringing UST and pegging UST to $1 is no more. What we have now is a coin that's being rebuilt. And staking, all those Shiba Inu coin has staking rewards as well, right? Staking is one of the first steps into being able to rebuild this blockchain and creating this decentralized authority. The more coins that are staked with each validator, the more they have in saying what goes in the future development. The burn tax that is supposedly going to be implemented in the next couple of weeks is the next step in reducing that 6.9 trillion coin supply back down to potentially what it was before. So as far as utility goes at the moment, we are at the bare minimum. I do agree with that, but we are starting over and we are rebuilding. So I do believe the Terra Luna Classic is still very risky, still a meme coin status, but is rebuilding its utility. My dream job is to be a screenwriter and eventually a director. I've started writing a 3-book series, but my day-to-day life has gotten in the way of it, but I'm starting to get back into it. Chris, man, that actually sounds pretty sweet. I know you're into the movies, man. That's absolutely awesome. So I think, listen, I think that there's a certain sense of luck that you would have to have in order to like write a Hollywood screenwriter or whatever. If you're expecting to be a Hollywood blockbuster movie, these people are ridiculous. But dude, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm sure, I've never looked into it because it's never been like an interest of mine, but I am sure that there are, YouTube channels or different online communities that would absolutely love to hear about your screenplays or your screenwriting and your 3-book series that you've got going on, dude. And even if you didn't make it, even if you didn't have to move out to LA, let's say you did start a YouTube channel or some sort of a blog and you were able to market it and get it out there, and you found people who fell in love with your book or your series or your movie, whatever you're writing there. Let me put it this way, man. I've watched a couple documentary series kind of talking about something similar with Ninja Turtles and Power Rangers and those kind of things. And these guys, they write these ideas. Ninja Turtles was a one comic series. It was just a one comic book that these two goofy dudes wrote in their house. Like they rented a house together and they wrote this comic book. And it was kind of dark, man. It was kind of dark. And they released it on, like they self-published it or something and sold maybe 1,000 copies or something. And they were really excited about it. And it was like this dark Ninja Turtle series where these guys were slashing guys up and killing them and stuff like that. And then they had some salesman come along. This salesman basically lied his way into pitching this idea to different executives at different companies. This dude says like he went out and rented a suit. He didn't even own a suit, man, and he showed up and he tried to pitch himself when nobody else even wanted to do it, and he did. He wanted to take that shot on it. Dude, you could absolutely find somebody that's like that wants to get it in front of other people, and it doesn't have to be some sort of a huge Hollywood screenplay to be successful. You could find yourself surrounded by 10,000 people that absolutely love what you're writing, man. A friend and I shot a short film. I remember this, Frodo, yes. It was fun being a producer for a film. I think I would like producing film and or music, and that would be awesome, man. That would be awesome. Corey, asking you a question is being... No. Asking a question is not being an a-hole, guys. That's what it is. This is a Q&A. I'm dying on the inside right now. I can't breathe. I could retire at a grand total of $290,000, all debt paid off, a dividend portfolio earning about $33,000 per month. Frank, exactly, man. Exactly. A lot of people think that you need, $2.9 million in the bank to do it. You don't, dude. You don't. And I'm excited you got your number. I'm excited you got your number written down there and know it. I'd never get tired of napping. I'd never get tired of napping and laying around. Okay, this might be true, Simon. This might be true. Chris, no, I didn't see it before you retracted it, man. Why is no one saying strip club? Outdo, bro, man. I think that maybe because they've watched, what's the movie with the marijuana the show? Where they're in the... Gosh, it's the Ozark. The Ozarks. It's probably because they've watched Ozark, man. And that little blonde girl, she's in charge of the strip club there. It's probably because they've watched Ozark and they realize it's a lot crazier than a dream job would be. I don't know. That would be my guess as to why they're not saying strip club owner. Outdo, bro. I call dibs on that. Dark bro and outdo, bro. Going into business together. Day 2 of tweeting into 100,000 subscribers. Came in to drop a like, but gotta bounce. Owning the float, man. I love it. Let's go see if we got owning the float out here. I don't know if this boy is tagging me in it or not, but let's see where we are here. Do I see it? I don't know. I don't know if you tagged me or not in it, but I'd have to... What's your Twitter name, man? Oh, there it is. How do I not even follow you? Nice. Nice. Let's go. Guys, check it out, man. This is what I'm talking about right here. Heck yeah. Follow my bro's YouTube channel as soon as possible. He's almost 100,000. Link below. I love it. Guys, if you don't follow Owning the Float on Twitter, make sure to go follow him. This dude's killing it. He's got 5,096 followers. He's not a financial advisor. Facts on that. But definitely make sure to go follow Short Squeeze or Owning the Float, Mike, whatever you want to call him. Nonetheless, guys, thank you very much, Mike. Really appreciate that for tweeting that out there. Let's do it. If you guys haven't hit his YouTube channel up, dude, get him. Okay, 4 of you guys at least go out there and get him above 5,100 followers on Twitter. But go hit him up out there real quick. And thank you very much for tweeting that out. Absolutely appreciate you, man. Editor for Ozark. Listen to my... Oh, no way, dude. Dude, that's actually pretty cool. I liked Ozark, but God, everything that could go wrong in that. It's one of those shows that stresses me out, man. Just when I think that they're gonna be okay, and then something else happens, and I'm like, oh, why? I like these guys. Buy tacos, eat tacos, happy Taco Tuesday. You know what? I have not participated in a Taco Tuesday in a long time, man. I need to go out for a Taco Tuesday. You can still read the one other by comment you read, and her name is Ruth from Ozark. Ruth, yes, that little blonde girl, dude. Oh, man. Dude, I haven't had anybody push my buttons in a while like Ruth from Ozark, man. I'm telling you, dude. She was a wild one. Smash that like button. Owning the float used to be I'm Clipper Mike. Yes, facts on that. I do remember that. That's why I was wondering. I didn't know. I forgot the I'm Clipper part, but yes, I do remember Mike there. Tell us about Mt. Gox and what it will do to the market. When is all the so Q? Here's what I've seen reading about Mt. Gox recently. I did a video a couple days ago and talked about everybody being scared that they were going to release all 137,000 of these Bitcoin at the same time. Since then, I read about it yesterday or the day before, and it seems that they're going to be released in installments. And that's just still, creditors and analysts and stuff talking about it being released in installments. Even if we get, and this is, we'll probably end on this because it is 1 p.m., even if we get all 137,000 released to these people at the same exact time, okay? Even if they release all 137,000 back to the people that own it at the exact same time, what we have here, man, let's take a look at this. I just want to show you. That's about $2 billion, right? That $2 billion kind of scares people because if we saw a $2 billion sell-off, people would think that that's a major deal. If you look at the daily average volume, I don't know if this is average necessarily, but this is over the last 24 hours, $32 billion in volume in the last 24 hours. An increase of 7.5%, I believe that would be. If the volume increased by 7.5%, meaning that every single person that received their Mt. Gox Bitcoin went out and sold it at the exact same day, and it was just this huge sell-off, it would be a 7% sell-off, a 7% increase in the daily average volume. I truly believe that would easily be able to be swallowed up. Would it have an effect on the price? Yeah, it probably would. But let's say it does have a 7% effect on the drop in price. You're still talking about Bitcoin at that point just going from $19,600 down to $18,000. It's not going to be some catastrophic failure with the worst case scenario happening because of the Mt. Gox release. And that's worst case. Even if we have the Bitcoin released in installments, I still think people will hold. I still think people will sell, but I don't think that they're going to do it all at the same time. So y'all finally ran all off the Sis Bros. That's sad. Hopefully it didn't get blocked too. Yeah, M&D, they all got blocked. Oh, man. This is true. I don't know where all the girls are in here today, but either way, should I hold on to the $3 I get for free in Gap, or should I put it all in? Yeah, King Mamba, that's up to you, man. A $3 share in Gap, it's going to be up to you if you want to diversify a little bit. If you believe in Ford, man, I don't think that Gap has a dividend that they pay. No. What's their ticker? There it is. They pay a dividend. Well, listen, Gap actually pays a decent dividend at this level, man. Gap's paying a 6% dividend, so you're not going to be earning anything 6% annualized interest on a $3 share. But nonetheless, Gap does look like it's been hit pretty hard since November when things have been falling here. Retesting these levels, these 2020 lows. So I don't think it's that bad of a deal to hold on to Gap. You know, if we just reach the resistance levels, you're talking $30, 3x in your money if you're reaching those levels. And it does seem to be, it's some pretty strong support in this area right here. So that would be my really quick basic look at Gap there. I don't think it's necessarily a hard sell at the moment right now. Let's see. Still holding 3.3 billion Shib. I love it, man. Remy, or the real ones? Yes, absolutely. Hello, Emma. Put the $3 into Shiba. Yes, you could do that as well. Guys, it is well after 1 o'clock. I'm going to be taking off for now. Hopefully we're back a little bit later and the market is doing better than it is right now because it is getting blasted at the moment. Nonetheless, let's do some shout outs and then we will be back, man. Frank F, see you later. Q, see you later. Remy, Emma D, Why Not Invest, Old School RuneScape, King Mamba, Old School, Remy, King Mamba, Emma. We got Remy and Emma back to back is kind of hard to say. It's like a Rema. Remy, Emma, J Bones, Old School, Corey, Emma, J Bones, DD214. We got Robbie, Frodo, see you later. Emma D, J Bones, Mr. Simon, DD214. See you later. I don't know if SD is listening right now. See you later, Nick F. All you guys, Lauren. I know you can't be listening right now, but Lauren, I miss you. Please come back. Wana, if you're in here, absolutely incredible. Pika, if you're listening right now, thank you very much. Hopefully you're feeling a little bit better. MD Hewitt, see you later. Remy, Mike, I see what you're doing there, Mike. John J, Dark Bro, all of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.